When you search for the best portable air pump for car tires, everything looks the same. Same features, same claims. But to find one that truly stands out and meets your needs, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1: Keen Power Tire Inflator. The Keen Power Tire Inflator immediately caught my eye with its sleek design and promise of quick inflation. It's priced competitively, and with over 2,000 units sold just this month, it's clear people are taking notice. If you want a portable air pump that blends power and portability, this is worth a serious look. This inflator boasts a dual power supply mode, meaning you can use its 21V rechargeable battery or plug it into your car's 12V DC charger. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're on the road and your battery runs low, you won't be stranded. Plus, with a maximum pressure of 160 psi, it's powerful enough for cars and motorcycles, but keep in mind it's not suitable for large truck tires. The built-in automatic shutoff feature prevents overinflation, so you can just set it and forget it. And if you're ever caught in the dark, the integrated flashlight with different modes is a lifesaver. Now, some people complained about the noise level at 78 decibels being a bit high for their liking. Here's the thing though, if you're outdoors or in an emergency, you might not notice it as much. Overall, it's still a solid choice for anyone looking to keep their tires in check. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable and quick inflation solution, especially for road trips. Skip this one if you need something for heavy-duty truck tires. For its features, it offers great value for money. Now, if the Keen Power's noise level bothers you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2: DENVIX Tire Inflator. Next up is the DENVIX Tire Inflator, which promises to be twice as fast as the competition at a price point around $113.83. I was intrigued by its ability to inflate a standard car tire in just 6 minutes. If you want to get back on the road quickly without fuss, this one is definitely worth a serious look. What grabbed my attention was its 15,000 mAh battery capacity. This means you can pump up to 7 vehicle tires or 22 motorcycles before needing to recharge. This is crucial if you're out and about and need reliable power. Plus, it has an innovative feature that allows it to charge 3 times faster than its competitors, so you won't be waiting long. And let's not forget the full-screen touch panel, which gives it a modern feel while making it user-friendly, even in low light. However, some users mention that it's a bit bulkier compared to other models. But honestly, with the features and speed it offers, I don't think that's a deal breaker, especially if you prioritize efficiency. This is perfect for you if speed and power are what you're after, especially if you frequently travel long distances. Skip this one if you're looking for something lightweight to throw in a backpack. For what it delivers, the price feels justified. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those on a budget. Product number 3: Pumptiva Tire Inflator. Lastly, we have the Pumptiva Tire Inflator, which is incredibly budget-friendly at just $25.29. I was surprised by how compact and lightweight it is, making it a great option for those who don't want to lug around a heavy pump. If you want something portable that gets the job done without breaking the bank, this one should be on your radar. This little guy offers a maximum pressure of 150 psi and features a digital pressure gauge, which means you can accurately monitor your tire pressure. Here's why this really matters. Maintaining the right tire pressure improves fuel efficiency and extends tire life. The automatic shutoff function also ensures you won't overinflate, which is a common concern for many. But here's the catch. Some users reported that it takes longer to inflate larger tires. If you're mainly inflating bike tires or smaller vehicles, that won't be an issue. But if you need quick inflation for larger tires, this might not be your best bet. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a compact and efficient inflator for light use, especially for bikes and balls. Skip this one if you're inflating larger vehicle tires regularly. For its low price, it offers incredible value. So to wrap it up, the Keen Power Tire Inflator is a fantastic option if you want speed and portability. The DENVIX Tire Inflator shines with its fast inflation times and battery capacity, perfect for long trips. Finally, the Pumptiva Tire Inflator is a budget-friendly choice that works well for lighter tasks. Each has its strengths, so think about what you need and choose accordingly.